Indulge in the epitome of luxury living at the Scio at the Medical District Student Accommodation in Chicago, an abode fit for both local and international students alike. Located in the Medical District and near West Loop, this newly renovated apartment community offers a range of studio, 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans to choose from. Each room features a private balcony, fiber optic internet, energy-efficient appliances, sleek wood-style flooring, and central air conditioning. When you're not relaxing at home, take advantage of the impressive communal amenities, including a state-of-the-art fitness center, beautiful outdoor pool, sizzling barbecue grills, business center, vibrant resident lounge, along with the added convenience of on-site Amazon lockers. Plus, the location is unbeatable. Walk down to Rush University in just 8 minutes, or hop on a bus or train and reach the University of Illinois in just 15 minutes. And when it comes to food and drink, you're spoiled for choice. Take a quick stroll to the patio restaurant for some crispy fries and juicy sandwiches, or hit up the Taylor Street Tap Pub for a glass of frothy beer or sparkling wine. This extraordinary student space is guaranteed to make you feel right at home. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your living standards. Book now through amberstudent.com.